For the last quarter, we are confident that we can fully vaccinate more than a majority of our population before Christmas. I therefore again encourage our kababayans to have yourselves vaccinated. I have issued a memorandum. This memorandum because we cannot allow blatant disrespect of resource persons at the ongoing hearings of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Gordon, you are not God and you cannot play God. No. You cannot continue this hearing till kingdom come. You are not a senator forever, and the time of reckoning will come. You and the Senate cannot compromise the government's COVID-19 response by getting agency leaders tied up for so long at your beck and call. Again, if you think you have enough evidence against Parmali to support your allegations, go ahead and file cases against them at the proper courts. The Senate is not a criminal court. Stop using it simply as a witch hunt. The executive branch of government clearly did its job for immediate pandemic response, and there was no iota of evidence of overpricing or money lost to corruption. Ang ibig sabihin ko ganito, you can really, if you want to do it, hearing even after Christmas or after elections, if you want. Wala kaming piag lang. Kingdom come yan eh. Ang problema yung tao ko lang. Yung Parmali, I said, gustutin ninyo ng gusto. Tear it, whatever you want to do with that company. Huwag mo lang isali ang mga tao ko. I am not objecting to your kingdom come. Pero huwag yung mga